everyone, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it after tying the rubber band. Now we will fix the hairs by tying them, dividing the hairs into two parts and tie them. Now fold them upward and fix them on the alternative sides using the hair styling tool. Now tie rest of the hairs by tying them on the downside. Again fold it like this and fix it on the top. Fix the hairs on the other side as well. Tie them together at the ends and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs and then tie it on the back like this by making the plaits. Join the hairs by taking small sections from the sides like this, one by one in the lining way, and take it till the back and then join them, and then follow the same step for a few more times and take the hairs till the end and tie it in the same manner. Fix the hairs till the end as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Watch the videos very carefully, and for more such interesting videos, follow our page. Next, you have to tie the hairs in the front like this. So take the hairs, divide them like this and then make the plaits out of it. Fix the hairs in the very small sections like this. Join them one by one as shown in the video. Fix it at the back. Now tie the hairs together like this on the back and fold them upward. Now make a ponytail, divide it from the between and then fix it by folding it upward using the hair bun plaits like this. Fold it and then spread the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs in the front like this, tie it by making the plaits on the hairs. Fix it by taking the hairs from the front in the very small sections like this, join it one by one, take it till the end like this, take it till the back and fix the hairs as shown in the video. Tie the hairs carefully. Now again repeat the process. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Now again we will take the hairs on the top and then make the plaits and take it till the end like this. Take the hairs from the sides and the front like this in the small sections and join it in the between to make the plaits. Take it till the end and then we will fix all the hairs together like this. Tie them together at the end and then we will fold it and fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.